Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So, since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, every single person on this planet has been concerned about immunity. So many companies have started advertising their products, claiming that they boost immunity. Amidst this confusion and helpless search for immunity, based on research findings, I am going to tell you how the immune system actually works and whether you can really boost it or not. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about immunity and how you can boost it. Please like, share and subscribe, and let's move forward. People all over the news and internet are asking others to eat this, drink that, do certain exercises, sleep in a certain kind of way, etc. to boost immunity. And most of these advices are actually good for you. I want to clear a misconception here. Specific immunity, which we talk of in general, is not the only defense mechanism that the body has to fight diseases. In fact, it is the last line of defense. So, to stay healthy, you need to take care of those other defense systems as well. This includes hand hygiene, skin, gastric juice in your stomach, the bacterial flora in your intestines, mucociliary mechanisms in your respiratory tracts, and many more. These are part of our body's innate immunity. I will make a separate video talking about this, but the point I want to convey is that a healthy lifestyle, even if it doesn't boost immunity per se, will certainly protect you from diseases. Okay, so let's jump into our main topic. Immunity is basically of two types, innate and adaptive or acquired. Innate immunity is the one which we naturally have since birth. It includes the physical barriers and secretions which I just mentioned earlier. And it also includes inflammatory cells and molecules like neutrophils, macrophages, natural killer cells, interferons, cytokines, etc. Innate immunity is quite non-specific and attacks bacteria, viruses, parasites of different kinds regardless of their nature. On the other hand, we acquire the adaptive immunity during our lifetime by means of mother's milk, vaccination, previous infections, etc. Adaptive immunity is mostly mediated by antibodies and lymphocytes. Adaptive immunity can be quite specific for a pathogen, and that is why you get specific vaccine shots for specific diseases. Now, we cannot acquire adaptive immunity to a new pathogen without a vaccine or infection, and that is why the entire world is trying so hard to find a vaccine for the novel coronavirus. However, we can boost the functioning of the innate and acquired immunity already present in our bodies, and it can give us quite a bit of protection. Let's see how that is possible. Okay, so first let's talk about the dietary factors affecting immunity. We have all heard so much about vitamin B complex, C, D, and even E maybe. Also, let's not forget zinc. Let me add some more, vitamin A and selenium. Do these micronutrients really boost immunity? The answer is both yes and no. These nutrients do not necessarily enhance your immunity if you take a lot of them, but these are certainly required for optimum functioning of your immune system. That means their deficiency will certainly make you vulnerable to infections. Vitamins B complex, C and E acts as antioxidants. They keep the epithelial barrier of your skin intact. They help in phagocytosis and functioning of neutrophils, etc. Vitamin A, D and zinc can help maturation of T cells and formation of antibodies. Now, I am not going to bore you by naming all the food stuff rich in all these specific nutrients. If you want to know, you can check the description below. My advice would be to first focus on a healthy and balanced diet. The above mentioned items are micronutrients. Those are not supposed to be the main constituent of your food. Eat proper amounts of carbohydrates, fats and protein, and then try to fulfill your micronutrient needs naturally. Only if you can't, opt for supplements. Next comes sleep. Yes, the dreaded issue which most of us have failed to manage, especially when stuck at home with our cell phones and laptops. So, many people must have told you about the benefits of a good night's sleep. Thus, instead of repeating, let me tell you what's relevant to this video. The level of cortisol, a steroid hormone in the body, stays at a very low level during the starting hours of our sleep-wake cycle, that is during the night. Studies have shown that this is necessary for new B cell and T cell formation, which then mature and form antibodies, conferring us adaptive immunity. And this will occur only if we sleep during the night. In the morning, the cortisol levels are high again and this process is stopped. But this morning awakening is also necessary for the maturation and functioning of these cells. So yeah, we are compromising a very vital aspect of immunity daily. Ideally, we are to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours in the night. Let's see how exercise affects immunity. Well, exercise does not have a linear relationship with immunity, and it is still an area of research. However, studies have shown that people engaged in regular mild to moderate exercise have a much better immunity than their sedentary peers. However, bouts of heavy exercise followed by long resting periods can adversely affect your immunity. So, slow and steady is actually better here. A few miscellaneous points that can also prove vital are: please try to quit smoking and drinking, and try to reduce your stress levels. These can prove to be very detrimental for your immune system. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful for you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more such videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe.